This is today's another video subtitled Why Do We Harvest Horseshoe Crab Blood? During the warmer months, especially at night during the full moon, horseshoe crabs emerge from the sea to spawn. Waiting for them are teams or lab workers who capture the horseshoe crabs by the hundreds of thousands, take them to labs, harvest their solution blood, then return them to the sea. Oddly enough, we capture the horseshoe crab on the beach because that is the only place we know we can find them. A female horseshoe crab lays as much as 20 batches of up to 4,000 eggs over an annual visit to the beach. When the egg hatch, the juvenile horseshoe crab often stay near shore, periodically shedding their cells as they grow. Once they leave the shallow water, they don't return until they reach sexual maturity 10 years later. Despite our best efforts, we don't know where they spend those years. Though we spy this occasional horseshoe crab as deep as 200 meters below the ocean surface, we only see large group of adults when they come ashore to spawn. Horseshoe crab blood contains cell called amidocyte that protects them from infection by viruses, fungi, and bacteria. Amidocytes form gel around these baiters to prevent them from spreading infections. This isn't unusual. All animals have protective immune systems, but horseshoe crab amidocytes are exceptionally sensitive to bacteria and endotoxin. Endotoxin are molecules from the cell wall of certain bacteria, including E. coli. Large amounts of them are released when bacteria cells die, and they can make the sick if they enter the bloodstream. Many of medicine and medical devices we rely on can become contaminated, so we have to test them before they touch our blood. We do have the test called gram stains that detects these bacteria, but they can't recognize endotoxin. We can be there even the bacteria are present. So scientists use extracts called LAL, produced from harvested horseshoe crab blood, to test for endotoxin. They add LAL to medicine sample as if gel form, bacterial endotoxin are present. Today, the LAL test is used so widely that millions of people who've never seen a horseshoe crab have been protected by their blood. If you ever had an injection, that probably includes you. How do horseshoe crab end up with such special blood? Like other invertebrates, horseshoe crab has an open circulatory system. This means their blood is contained in blood vessels like ours. Instead, horseshoe crab blood flows freely through the body cavity and comes in directly contact with tissues. As bacteria enter their blood, it can quickly spread over a large area. Paired to this valuable, the horseshoe crab bacteria fills ocean and shoreline habitats and is to see why they need such a sensitive immune response. Horseshoe crabs survived the mass extinction events that wiped out over 90% of life on Earth and killed them off dinosaurs, but they're not invincible. The biggest resource they face in millions of years come from us. Studies show that up to 50% of horseshoe crabs died in the process of having their blood harvested, and recent research suggests that this number may be even higher. Researchers have also observed a few females returning to spawn in some of the most harvested areas. Our impact on horseshoe crab extends beyond the biomedical industry too. Coldest developments destroys pesticides, and horseshoe crab are also killed from fishing bait. There is ample evidence that populations are shrinking. Some researchers have started working to synthesize horseshoe crab blood in lab. For now, we are unlikely to stop our beach traps, but hopefully the synthetic alternative will someday eliminate our reliance on the blood of these anxious creatures.